What's going on, guys? Half click up here. It's like 9 in the morning, a little after 9. It's a freaking Tuesday. It's the Christmas holiday break. I took off like a total of 10 days, counting the weekends, to you know, do the Christmas thing, and also to go ahead and tear down the bike. And as you can see, I I started the process yesterday. Woke up this morning and it is just swamped in this morning, man. And the thing about it is, I don't know if you can actually tell, but this fog you see, this mist, is absolutely on everything. It was on the manual this morning too, and freaking good thing I didn't open the case last night, because there's a good chance that the camshafts would be covered in moisture, and that's not good. It's already starting to burn off of the windscreen and whatnot. Still got a little bit in the shade spots, but yeah, so I'm gonna hold off for now until this stuff burns off, just because, you know, it's gonna be sitting open for a little while, and I don't particularly want mist and moisture inside the engine case. No good. So yeah, there's a little bit of a delay here. Admittedly, the next video was supposed to be actually pulling the head off Evelyn, and of course that's the ultimate goal. Just a quick recap: we did a valve adjustment at 58,000 miles, which evidently was too long to wait, and we have some sort of a heat marrying of rubber valve seal with valve stem that went awry when we made the adjustments. Anyways, long story short, did a investigation of the spark plugs, and number 4, brand new plugs installed during the valve adjustment. Number 4 was brown, brand new and brown from oil burn. Anyways, I did pulled the header and everything, so I'll get down here and show you guys what the initial investigation has provided us. A little bit of insight, and needless to say, my suspicions were confirmed. Number 4 is the culprit. Check this out. So if we get down here and take a look, looking up into the exhaust side of the cylinder head, shine some light on the situation. Alright, that's cylinder number 3. You can see the valves. Maybe just barely see the other one. The light's kind of goofy, I know. But you see it's relatively clean, right? There's number 2. You know, looks the same. It's pretty good. Well, look at number 4. Let's see. Yeah. Look at number 4. Yep, confirmed. There's the culprit, guys. Number 4 has been seeping oil past the valve seal, something terrible. And it is nasty in there. So, yeah, this is going to be a process. This is new territory for me. I don't actually know 100% how I'm going to get all that clean once I get the cylinder head off the bike. But, probably degreaser and some kind of bristle brush, something soft so as not to damage the aluminum in any way. But yeah, so that is that. But anyways, and good thing I picked up all the tools off the table, man, because they would be rusted by this point. Anyways, guys, I just opted to shoot this little update video because we are kind of delayed to an extent. As soon as all this stuff burns off, I'm going to dive into it and get the camshafts out. But also, look at this. These exhaust gaskets are shot. I kind of scraped at them a little bit and they'll come clean. See there? They'll come clean. But one of them, I'm not sure. Oh, this one right here. If you look on the, you can see that. See that little, see there? They're coming apart, man. These are the original factory gaskets, by the way. I'll reuse them when I put the Yoshimura R6 system on. And they worked. You know, I don't have an exhaust leak, but I went ahead and ordered some new gaskets last night. We're gonna pop some new ones in there because they're relatively cheap. But oh, let me show you guys this. This is my this is my little method to for collecting the coolant. Right, I took an old like windshield wiper fluid jug here, and I cut out a little thing, this, that, and the other, and because we're gonna reuse this. Why? Because it's still good, damn it. And aside from that, I don't exactly have a whole thing of engine ice. Probably just enough to technically fill it up, but I think I'm gonna have to supplement with that old stuff just a smidge to get the reservoir full. So so that's a thing. The sun's coming out. I'd imagine this is gonna be burned off before long. Like in the sunlight, you can see the mist floating. Oh man. So anyways, guys, it looks like the actual valve seal replacement video is going to be coming out after Christmas. Today is the 21st. Or no, today's the 22nd. Yep, and we are leaving tomorrow to go to Louisiana to spend Christmas with my wife's side of the family this year. And so, I mean, I'm not gonna, I'll get this torn down today. Maybe enough to film part of the installation, at least the removal of the cylinder head. That's probably as far as I'm gonna get. And then I'm just gonna have to button everything up because we're gonna leave first thing in the morning, so we can just make good time, you know. I figured an update on the situation was better than just leaving you guys in the blind for like 2 weeks. So there you go. Oh, and the reason why I drained all the coolant was so that I can actually disconnect all of the coolant hoses this time around, because they are all in the way. See, I have them all routed out of the way now. They are all in the way when you try and mess with that valve cover and put the cams in. You know, I fought with it last time during the initial operation, and I wanted to make sure all that was going to be out of the way this time, since the cylinder head does have to come out. So that's completely disconnected, and so that'll be good and out of the way now. Also, I imagine it's going to be after Christmas when these new exhaust gaskets get here, so I don't know. Needless to say, Evelyn is not going to be back up and running for a little while. It is what it is. I'm not really in a rush, you know what I mean? Like, when I did the initial valve adjustment, I felt like I was in a rush just to put out the content, get the job done, and just get the content out to you guys. But I don't really feel as rushed anymore. So as long as she needs to stay down, she's gonna stay down. Maybe a week, 2 weeks at most. You know, it sucks in the wintertime with the time change. You get home from work and you know what, it's dark within a half hour and you can't get anything done. So I don't know. Oh, Evelyn. By the way, I do have a fresh crop of half-clickup decals. If you guys are interested, drop me an email, hcumotovlogs@gmail.com. Give me your address and I will send you one for free. Anyways, guys, next time I see you, Evelyn's cylinder head will be on the table. We'll be knocking that out, valve seal replacement, and hopefully get this smoke situation under control. Of course, I feel like this is dragging out way too long for an update on basically nothing. So, as always, guys, this has been me, that's been you. It's Half Click Up. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace and goodbye.